Today I'll be showing how to prepare mutton green masala recipe. For this I have taken 250 grams of mutton pieces and 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 7 to 8 green chili, peppercorns, coriander leaves, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt and oil. These are the ingredients we need. Now let's start with the process. For this, in the mixie jar, add garlic cloves, green chilies, peppercorns, fresh coriander leaves, grind adding little bit of water, and in a cooker add about 2 tablespoons of oil, then add chopped onions, fry it until golden brown. After it is fried, we'll be adding the washed mutton pieces. Now we'll add turmeric powder and then required amount of salt. Mix it well. We have to cook it until all the water is absorbed. Now all the water is absorbed, we'll be adding the paste which we had already made and 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. Mix it well. Then we'll add little bit of water. Cook it till 6 to 7 whistles, and after 6-7 whistles the mutton chops is ready.